Police department search warrant.
13, 14, 15.
Just get the sledge.
Hey, on the ground,
Hands, on the ground.
On the ground. Do not move.
Don't move. Hands up. Hands up.
Move.
Hands up.
Who else is back there with you? Do not move.
Manos arriba. Manos arriba. Okay.
It's all right. Relax. Take a breath. You're okay.
Ven acá. Ven acá. You got it. I got covered. Go ahead. Manos en la pared.
Put your hands on your back.
Go ahead. ¿Hay alguien más ahí?
On your back.
Manos atrás, por favor. Manos atrás.
O que se passa?
Manos atrás.
On February 19th, 2026, South River Police executed a Superior Court authorized search warrant at 30 Main Street in Middlesex County, New Jersey, targeting an unlicensed dental operation. The suspect, Anna Amato, 49, of Old Bridge, was accused of performing dental procedures without a license after a victim reported a botched root canal to police. The investigation began months earlier when the victim walked into headquarters still bleeding, with gauze in his mouth, after paying a $300 deposit on a $1,000 procedure arranged through WhatsApp. The search warrant was obtained under the probable cause standard established in Illinois versus Gates.
Police department search warrant. Police department search warrant.
13, 14, 15.
Just get the sledge.
Hey, on the ground.
On the ground.
Do not move.
Don't move. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up.
Who else is back there with you? Do not move.
Manos arriba. Manos arriba. Okay. Manos arriba. Dame un segundo. Hold on. We'll watch.
Is there anybody?
¿Hay alguien más ahí? Okay.
Come out to me.
Okay. Hold on. We're gonna clear it out. Danielle, you want to stay with her real quick?
Face away from me.
All right. We're gonna
Face
check
away
this
from me.
out real quick.
You're good. Relax. It's all right. Relax. Take a breath. You're okay.
Ven acá. You got it. I got covered. Go ahead. Manos en la pared.
Put your hands on your back.
Go ahead. ¿Hay alguien más ahí?
On your back.
Manos atrás, por favor. Manos atrás.
O que se passa?
Manos atrás.
Who else is in there?
I got it.
Esse
Just bring them. No, she says no. Bring them over this way.
O que se passa?
Sorry, do you want us to stay with them too, please? Police department, hands up. All right, it's clear. Just one room. Yep. Okay. I got it. Okay. Okay, mire, hay una orden de registro, okay, de la policía que está firmado por un juez. Entonces vamos a registrar el negocio.
Ok, eu estou apenas
Is
a
that good?
fazer
We're going to go do that. Is that?
It's all clear.
Hay una orden de registro, okay, que está firmado por un juez. Okay, está
em nome de quem?
en nombre de la policía de South River, okay.
Sim, mas para quem?
Ok, entonces estamos buscando a la señora Amato, Ana Amato. ¿Ella está aquí?
Não.
¿Dónde está Ana?
Ana vive em Old Bridge.
Ok,
Sou só funcionária dela.
ok.
E ela vive em Old
¿Ella
Bridge.
está trabajando en Old Bridge ahora?
Ela está em tu casa.
En su casa.
Sim, sua casa.
Ok,
Eu tenho o endereço da casa dela. Eu te
ok.
passo.
So she's home. So I'll give her a call. Have her come out here. They're just workers on their behalf. So let's just get good at it. Oh, ¿tiene identificación?
Sim,
¿A dónde está?
da minha carteira.
¿En la cartera? ¿Dónde está la cartera?
Lá em cima do casaco.
Okay, there should be a purse on top of that desk. ¿Dónde está? ¿En este cuarto?
Não, lá onde eu estava. Lá
On the far end, there's a purse. ¿Qué color?
um casaco verde.
Okay, it should be a green purse. Okay. ¿Y la tuya? ¿Es guess? ¿Es tuya?
Yes,
Okay.
it's mine.
All right. Would you get good IDs on them? I'll call Anna now. Go ahead. Just if there is a New Jersey license, just call it out. All right. Hello, buenas tardes.
Yes.
Good afternoon. This is Detective Molina with South River Police Department. Is this Anna Amato?
Yes.
Hey, hi Anna. We are in your business right now. There's an active investigation. We have a search warrant. Are you able to come in?
Oh, I'm not in.
Okay, we
What
need
happened?
you to come in.
What happened?
Okay, how far are you?
I am in Old Bridge.
Okay.
But I'm with my kid. He got flu.
Okay, so I need you to come in, and then we can discuss this further here. Okay?
Oh my God.
Yes.
What time should I
Okay.
be there?
Right now. Okay.
Can I meet you?
No.
I cannot go right now.
You have to come right now. Okay. There's a search warrant that's been issued by a judge. Okay, and we need to come here and talk with you. All right?
But I cannot go now. I have.
Okay. I will tell you. Listen, I'm going to be very straight with you. We have charges against you. Okay. So we could do this. We could do this the right way. You can come in. Okay, or there is going to be a warrant issued for your arrest. So this is not a joking matter. We need you to come in now. Okay, I have two of your employees here. I have two of your employees here detained, okay? And in order for us to clear things up, we need to speak with you.
My employees? I don't
Yes.
have employees.
Well, we're in your suite right now, okay? And I have two employees here who know you, okay? So we need you to come in.
I'll be there around 4:30.
No, that doesn't work, ma'am. You come now, okay? Or I'll have Obridge go to your house and then place you under arrest. It's however you want this to work out.
Now my child here. Oh, how are we gonna? I call you right back.
Okay, listen to me. I'm gonna explain something to you. All right, I'm in your business. I have two of your employees detained. I have charges for your arrest.
But I
Okay.
don't have employees.
Listen,
I don't understand.
let me finish. I can have Obridge go to your house, place you under arrest in front of your kid, or you can come here and we can speak. How do you want to handle this?
I'm just gonna look for somebody to be with my child.
Okay.
I don't know what's going on. I don't have employees.
Come in and then we'll talk further. If not, I'm going to call you back in 5 minutes. If not, I'm going to send Obridge out to your house. You understand?
Okay.
Okay, I will call you back.
You want her back in there?
1 second.
Hold on one moment, okay?
What happened here?
You still have your license on you?
I just want to make sure it's in
Oh my god.
You have your license with you?
My driving license?
Yeah.
I'm going to talk to her real quick, then we'll bring her back.
Okay.
Mr. Pocketbook?
Yes, for pocketbook. You want to stay out here for now?
Yep, just stay out there.
Okay.
Right this way, all the way in the back, please. I don't want you to fall or anything, okay?
I'm just.
Did you finish,
Just had a
pen?
hair tie with a bobby pin on her.
Okay.
This is her body.
And everything else was good?
Everything's good on her. They didn't search this yet.
Okay.
So.
Go ahead and take a seat right here, okay?
Detective Molina's months-long investigation, including victim interviews, financial records, and advertising evidence, provided more than sufficient probable cause for judicial authorization. Officers announced police department, search warrant before entry, satisfying New Jersey Rules of Criminal Procedure, Rule 3:5-2, which requires announcement of presence and authority. Two women found inside were not the target. They were identified, determined to be nail salon workers, and released. This decision reflects sound Fourth Amendment judgment. Detaining non-targets beyond the time needed for identification would risk an unreasonable seizure under the Fourth Amendment. When Amato was contacted by phone, Detective Molina informed her that charges had been approved and gave her a choice: come voluntarily or face arrest at home by Old Bridge Police. This is lawful. Officers with authorized charges may compel a suspect's presence. However, the detective's reference to arresting her in front of her kid walks a fine line. While it falls within acceptable bounds as a statement of realistic consequences, a defense attorney could argue coercion. Upon arrival, Detective Molina administered Miranda warnings before any custodial questioning began. Under Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, law enforcement must advise a suspect in custody of their right to remain silent, that statements can be used against them, and their right to an attorney. The detective read each right individually, pausing to confirm understanding after every one. Amato acknowledged each right and elected to speak without counsel. This is textbook Miranda compliance under Berkemer v. McCarty, 1984, which clarified that Miranda applies whenever a person is subjected to custodial interrogation. Amato was clearly in custody, handcuffed, and not free to leave. The central legal issue here is New Jersey's statutory definition of practicing dentistry. Under N.J.S.A. 45:6-19, any person who performs dental operations of any kind, gratuitously or for a fee, is considered to be practicing dentistry. Critically, the statute also covers anyone who is a manager, proprietor, operator, or conductor of a place where dental operations are performed. This means even if Amato did not personally perform every procedure, her role as business operator subjects her to liability.
All right, listen, my name is Detective Molina. I work for the South River Police Department. Before we talk any further, I want to read you what your Miranda rights are. Okay, we do have a search warrant, okay, and then there are charges. Therefore, I need to advise you of what your rights are. I'm not here to violate your rights. I'm here to be very transparent with you, okay? But I will help you with that in a minute, okay? I will help you with it in a minute. But let me read this out loud to you, okay? And then you tell me yes or no whether you understand, okay? If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me, all right? Okay, so these are your Miranda warnings, okay? Number one, you have the right to remain silent. You understand that?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Number two, anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand that?
I do.
Okay. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you are being questioned. Do you understand?
I do.
Okay. Because a victim came in and said that he had come here and had done some dentistry procedure. Why don't you first tell me about that? What is your business here?
Well, I work with them in a lot of offices, Middlesex.
Okay.
Sometimes, yes, the people come here ask me for help.
Okay.
I do take x-rays, I do take impressions sometimes, and I do send them, if they have insurance, to other places. There is other people who answers, like I'm really per them. I basically use here like to train the girls if I cannot make it.
Which girls?
I have like RDAs that I can, for instance, next.
So look.
Wait. No, not before you finish. It's like next Monday I'm starting this office, and like if I cannot make it, somebody else call. It's more like people who refer me to other dentists. That's what I do.
Referrals.
If I cannot go, okay, do you know somebody? I come here and I train the way the doctor wants, and that's it. I do take x-rays and...
Let me tell you something. I've been investigating this for a couple of months now, okay? And I've spoken with many people already, okay? So I want to give you the opportunity to be honest with me, okay? Because I'm not here just out of nowhere. I didn't just randomly come to your business. I didn't just randomly get charges against you by a judge, okay? I did my investigation and I have probable cause to issue these charges. So let's start again, okay? I already spoke with one of your victims, okay, who said that he came here and got a procedure started, right? That you gave him a local anesthetic and started getting work done on his tooth. Okay, so how about you tell me what happened then?
No, I cannot give anesthetic, to be honest.
Okay.
I don't have the license for that.
You also don't have the license to operate where you're operating in the back. You don't have.
That's not part of the training. I do use everything there for training, and I told everybody at where I was doing it.
Okay. You have no patients that come back here to get dental work done?
Usually no, unless they are dying, and then I swear to God.
So let's talk about that.
If they come here dying, yes, I probably put like anesthetic, not anesthetic injection, but a feeling. Probably yes.
What do you mean? What do you mean? Anesthetic what?
It's not analgesic stuff. Usually people here, they call me to do like, they want amoxicillin or something like that. I don't sell drugs. I don't know what it is. So usually I don't give that information. Do you have a paper that my nose is running?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
I have spray. Yes,
Okay.
I do.
Okay.
And I do have everything here if you see it.
Okay.
I won't say that
everything like what? What are they gonna find in the back? Because
they're gonna find needles. They're gonna find anesthetic. They're gonna find machines that give anesthetic, because that's usually what I do.
Okay.
For instance,
I know it's what you do. I know that you do dental work here. I know that you do. I know that you listen to me. I know that you. I've seen advertisements that you do.
I do.
So listen, I know you do tooth extractions. I know you do
no extractions. No
tooth cleanings and root canals.
No, I have to refer all of it because I don't extractions. I was training another girl.
Let me ask you something.
I don't.
Hold on a second. Let me ask you something. Has an extraction been done in that back room?
Yes, that is.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay.
Not done by me,
okay.
but yes.
By who? I'm not trying to put all this on you. I know that you have someone else that works with you. Okay, but right now, listen to me.
She's in Canal.
Let me explain something to you. Right now, I have you. This is falling all on you right now.
And I assume, and I take it if I have to.
You're gonna have to, because there's already charges approved. And they're searching your room right now.
Yes.
Okay, look at me. And they're going to find more things back there. Now, I'm willing to work with you if you can give me information as to where you get these anesthetics, where you get the anesthesia without having a license to do so. How do you get it?
Oh, on eBay.
Okay.
That's it. But there is a lady.
There's a lady that you get it from?
No, on eBay, basically. And most of it's donation I don't really use, like, you said extraction. I'm being very honest with you. Yes, it's been done there.
It's been done. Look, I appreciate your honesty.
Not by me, but yes.
Okay.
Being very honest to you. Other than that, no, because I'm totally against, and I tell them to go.
Listen to me. I don't think you're totally against it. And I'll tell you why I think that.
Cleaning, I do.
Let me explain something to you. I'll tell you why. This is a very lucrative business you have here. I give you much credit for what you're doing. I actually think this is outstanding, right? You're charging $750 a month for this room. That's money right there. You're making good money. How much do you charge for the back, for the lady that does the extractions? Or do you own it? Or do you run, what do you do back there?
No. The lady who did the extraction, she doesn't work here now.
When was the last time she was here?
She was here during the summer.
Last summer.
She doesn't attend here.
Okay.
She goes to a salon.
Now let me ask you a question. The lady that did the extraction was here last summer. Okay. Why are they still going to find needles and anesthesia in the back?
Because the other one came here last
So now there's another lady.
No, but she didn't do extraction.
What did she do?
She was here doing a cleaning for a boy for
Okay.
free, I think. For free, I think. No, the mother gave $50 to her.
Okay. How do they pay?
The
How do
lady
your
gave
patients pay you?
Usually cash for cleaning. But honestly, you are totally right. It's a very lucrative
It is.
business. Could be very.
Yeah.
And I'm being very honest with you. When I opened this here, it was definitely not to see anybody.
Mhm.
And I'm very honest with you. And I could make this like an illegal clinic, yes.
Mhm.
I leave everybody, everybody here knows what I do. Yes, you are right, I do cleaning, yes. I take x-rays, yes. Being very, extract tooth, no, I'm not allowed. I
But
would never
I know
do
you're
it.
not. I know you're not allowed, but it's been done here.
Correct,
I know it's been done here.
it is.
I know root canals have been done here, or at least
But,
at least initiated.
But that means, not the root canal, but that means if the patient do the root canal, I will do this temporary filling. That is correct.
Okay. Look, I appreciate your honesty.
But I want to tell you everything because if I
So-
have to pay for something, let's do it.
Oh, listen, that's not how it works. Right now, you're charged with unlawful dentistry. Okay. You're charged with second-degree aggravated assault.
Yes.
Okay.
What is that?
Aggravated assault. You cause seriously bodily injury to a victim. Well, I have a victim, and then
The person got hurt for me?
I had an injection done in his gum, and then drilling in his tooth. Don't look at me like you're surprised, because you just finished telling me that work does get done here.
No. Probably to do the temporary filling. That is
But it-
correct.
but it's-
Not
okay.
lying. That is correct.
Okay, let's talk about that process. To do a temporary filling, do you or do you not inject someone's gum?
No.
What do?
It's a spray.
Okay.
It's in there.
And then what do you do next?
Well, and then I have to clean.
5 Edwards, I'll be
Sometimes
clear
by
out of the
hand.
property.
Okay.
And then I place a temporary filling. Otherwise, they're going to be excruciating.
Now, exactly. Now about the tooth. What do you do with the tooth to put that filling in? Do you not have to drill?
Sometimes no.
But sometimes yes.
Sometimes yes.
Okay, so listen to me.
That's true.
It's been done.
True.
Okay, so what I want to agree on is that
True.
that work has been done in this office.
That's true.
Okay, that's all I'm saying. I'm not saying that every person does it. I'm just saying that it has been done here.
Yes.
Okay, and I happen to speak with one of those victims,
That
and
is
then that's
correct.
why I'm here.
All
so
right. But injection, no. It's spray. Yes.
well, but there is needles in the back.
But it was not me. But
Okay.
yes. Yes.
Well, it is-
yes.
listen,
Okay.
Look, just the more honest you're with me, the better that we can continue our relationship.
Let's
okay?
do this.
Okay, because I'm not so only concerned about you paying me. That's not how this works. I'm not here for your money. I am here to find out.
No.
What I would like to know, let me ask you something. What I would like to know is where you get this medical equipment.
On eBay.
Needles?
Equipment.
Okay. What about the chair? What about
No, that was all donation because the doctors gave me.
which doctors gave to you?
Oh, this was Dr. Groman who gave me the chair, and I recovered the chair here. Everything else I did it by my hand. I did it my hand.
What about the anesthesia then?
The anesthesia on eBay, and this other doctor
That's what I.
who gave me the link.
Okay.
If that's what you want to know.
Okay. So you can buy anesthesia on eBay.
Yes, you want to know the link? This is really hard, me, Mr. Molina, Dr. Senor Molina.
Okay.
Just make a little time because I'm not going anywhere.
Okay.
It's really hurting me.
Okay. You said that people have given you expired medication.
No, medication, no.
You just
They
told-
toothbrush,
expired
toothpaste.
Toothbrushes don't expire.
Toothpaste, I'm sorry, toothbrush I buy.
Talk
and
to
I
me
show
about the
you.
expired medication.
No, not medication.
Okay. What about
Not
lidocaine?
medication.
What about
Lidocaine
lidocaine?
I buy online and I
What is this expired stuff that the doctors have been giving you then?
Toothbrush, toothpaste, I'm sorry.
Toothpaste? Come on, you expecting me to believe that? Toothpaste, when
not?
you can go buy toothpaste for $1 or something, that you're taking expired
Toothpaste?
toothpaste. Tell me
The
about
doctor
the.
just
Tell
gave
me about
me a
the.
bunch of it, and he told me yesterday.
Let me tell you one more thing. I'm gonna seize.
Malone,
Listen to me. I'm
go
seizing your phones. I
Go
got
ahead.
computers in the back. I'm gonna find out where this stuff is coming from. If you tell me the truth now, we can work together. But if everything you're telling me right now is a lie, that's another problem you're gonna
If
have.
everything I'm telling you right now is a lie, I want you to take me arrested for the rest of my life.
I don't want to do that. I
But
want.
you should
I
because
want to.
I'll be honored because you're gonna be doing your job. So let's be very honest here.
Okay. Look.
There is nothing that
Let's-
people give me.
Let's talk about
Bye-bye.
something, Miss Amato. The you mentioned that most of the payment is done in cash.
Correct.
All right. Where do you have a safe here? Is there cash here?
No, that's not amount of people anyway. It's not that I'm here every
Do people
day.
Venmo or Zelle you?
Some Zelle, I have a bank account. I can show you, but not really.
Well,
But
I know.
Some people Zelle
Yes.
me. Yes, they do.
I know.
Some they
Because
could
my
Zelle
victim
me as
zelled
well.
you. I know. Because my victim zelled you. So I know people
Correct.
zell you. Now,
Correct.
I appreciate that. What we're going to do right now is we're going to bring you inside. You're going to get processed on the 3 charges that I went over initially with you. Okay?
Where are we gonna go?
You're going to go to the police department. You're going to get fingerprinted. And I'm going to read you the charges once you get released to the county.
Do you mind that I just take this off?
No, because you're going inside. After being processed, I'm taking you to the county jail. Okay? You're going to the county jail, and you're going to see a judge there. And there's possibly going to be more charges from what I'm seeing in the back. Actually, I know there's going to be more charges. So if you change your mind about talking to me about where you're getting all this stuff, I'm more than happy. I don't believe all that nonsense, all right? I think that if you want to help yourself, we can talk later. I'm going to give you my information before you leave, and I will be more than happy to continue. No, listen, I'm interested in finding out where you're getting all this medication. I don't believe that it's all on eBay. I believe that there's some expired stuff that dentists and doctors are giving you, and that's what I want to know. If you change your mind, we'll talk.
Is it okay for the nail lady?
No, that's not okay either. She's probably got charges too. All right, follow the officer right here.
That I can hold myself because I don't need to with
What?
my son.
I'm sorry. No, no, you're going just like that to the car and to the police station. Okay, you're under arrest right now, so you can go ahead. Just go ahead and take it. All right. I'm sorry.
Right down the stairs.
During the interrogation, Amato made a series of admissions that systematically undermined her own defense. She admitted to taking x-rays, impressions, administering anesthetic spray, drilling teeth, and placing temporary fillings. Every one of these constitutes practicing dentistry under the statutory definition. She confirmed that extractions had been performed at the location and that patients paid in cash, Venmo, and Zelle. Her claim that anesthesia was purchased on eBay and that donated equipment came from a Dr. Grumman opens additional investigative avenues regarding unauthorized procurement of controlled dental substances. The aggravated assault charge is brought under N.J.S.A. 2C:12-1, subsection B, paragraph 1. A person is guilty of second-degree aggravated assault if they cause serious bodily injury purposely, knowingly, or under circumstances manifesting extreme indifference to the value of human life. Performing invasive dental surgery injections, drilling without any medical training or license, constitutes reckless conduct that manifests extreme indifference to patient safety. This is a second-degree crime carrying 5 to 10 years in state prison. The financial facilitation charge falls under N.J.S.A. 2C:21-25, which prohibits engaging in financial transactions involving proceeds from criminal activity with the intent to facilitate or promote that activity. Amato accepted cash and digital payments for unlicensed dental services. The detective confirmed this directly, stating that victims had sent payments through Zelle, creating a traceable financial record. Detective Patrick Molina receives a grade of A-. His months-long investigation withstood judicial scrutiny and resulted in a properly authorized search warrant. His Miranda advisement was methodical and thorough. His interrogation was professional. He confronted inconsistencies without hostility and obtained critical admissions. The only deduction is for the phone call tactic referencing arrest in front of her child, which, while lawful, could be challenged as potentially coercive by defense counsel. Anna Amato receives a grade of D. She waived Miranda and made extensive self-incriminating statements without legal counsel, a critical error. Her pattern of partial admissions followed by contradictions, denying injections, then admitting to spray anesthetic, denying extractions, then confirming they occurred strengthened the prosecution's case at every turn. She receives limited credit for voluntarily reporting to the scene and not physically resisting arrest. The South River Police Department receives a grade of A. Officers Roselli and Sukix identified criminal activity during a routine dispute call and escalated appropriately. The investigation, warrant execution, bilingual communication, and suspect processing were all handled at an exemplary level. There are important lessons from this case for both law enforcement and the public. For law enforcement, routine calls can uncover serious criminal activity. The officers who responded to a simple dispute recognized that something was wrong and pursued it. That instinct protected the public. For suspects, invoking your right to counsel is not an admission of guilt. It is the single most important decision a person can make during a custodial interrogation. Amato's decision to speak freely caused more damage to her case than any physical evidence officers could have found. For the public, if a medical provider cannot produce a valid state-issued license, leave immediately. No discount is worth the risk of an unlicensed procedure that can cause permanent injury. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.